What's going on, friends? Welcome back. This is the new Nike SB Tangan ready to ship. If you want to copy this one, please don't forget to check on my web link, check more details there, and if you get more orders, can get more discount. Any more questions, please contact us. And now let's come to the details of this one. This one is a very special one, so let me show you. You can look the shoes got this tag. You can look the information on it, both side, and come another extra laces is the blue, and on the shoes got the white laces. And then you can look the color and the texture of the shoes. You can look. This is the Nike shoes. It's a very smooth one, and it got a double red stitching on the Nike shoes. And then, you can look here. This is the special one of this one. So not the something wrong on the shoes, just like this. To make the shoes more special. And here got the tag UMLA. And the outside layer of the shoes is the plastic one, and got a pattern on the shoes with a different color. The white midsole, and here got the logo. It's the circle one, so you can look how the logo. And the check front. This is the front part, so it's the same material. And also the shoe tone is the same texture, just the color is different with the white one. And on the top got Nike there. The other one is the same. And on the back side, you can look the back side. On the top got Nike, and then you can look. This is the print there. And there also is a very smooth one. And about the inner side, it's almost the same. It can see it's almost the same. It's the same. And about the bottom is the transparent, this kind like very similar to the icy blue. And here underneath got the red logo. Let's check the inside of the shoes. Both inside on the shoe part got a different logo. The back side of the shoe tone got the text. And so you can look a very not so simple pattern on the shoes, just like this. Would you like this kind of pattern? Now let me show this one on foot. Please hold on. Okay, so that's all for me today's review here. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.